Namanamtekia, iwe Namanamtekia napuken Proverbs 16 verse 18. Too much pride will destroy you. Too much pride will destroy you. Nafasumirga. Parade translation, pride comes before destruction, and an arrogant spirit before a fall. Nafasutuk as Sarawar Fos, chapter 16, verses 18 20. Rarabaraptekia a komwen feyengai. Ne tulisikisik a komwen arabertu. So you see, when we're praying, we're saying to God, I do this on my own. I need you, Lord. I need you, Lord. I am seeking you all day today. I can do this on my own. You don't think you can do it on your own, and you're seeking the Lord.